Hi, I'm Philip Anderson, and I'm a drum instructor with Anderson Music Instruction. And today I wanted to take a minute to talk with you about how to develop a trance drum rhythm. So we're going to look at some of the basic components and then some extra things you can add into that to make it sound a little bit more full, add some spice to it, and come up with a really great sounding drum trance rhythm. Okay, we're talking today about how to develop sort of a trance drum rhythm kind of feel when you're playing. And the basic background of that whole thing is to have what we call 4 on the floor. In other words, your kick drum is going to play each quarter note instead of just on 1 and 3, which is a lot of what you hear in rock drumming. So you'll get that kick drum going, and then we'll layer it with some additional things. And the main thing that you want to keep in mind is that those styles of music have this pulsating kick drum sound on all 4 quarter note beats. So we're going to get that going first, and then we're going to add in some other layers to kind of round it out. So if we start with our kick drum, it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now we can add an open hi-hat on the and 4. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3. Now what if we were to take 16th notes and put them on the hi-hat at the same time? Then we'd have this. So that's kind of a cool thing. But now let's try to add in the snare drum and our tom. And I'll show you how to play that on 1 bar, and then we'll go back to the open hat on the 2nd bar. It's going to sound like this. Now that's just kind of to get you started. There's a whole lot that you can do. But if you keep that kick drum going on all 4, throw in some hi-hat opens, spice up your snare and tom stuff, the sky's the limit with what you can do. All right, well, it was a lot of fun looking at the different components for how to develop and build a trance drum rhythm with that sort of feel to it. I hope you have a lot of fun implementing this and being creative with other ways that you can take it to the next level.